How to change the currency in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel, and then here you can see that the currency is in dollar format. So to change the currency, start by selecting the cells that contain the numbers that you want to format. And then once you're there, go to the home tab on the top menu, and then you will need to go to this currency section, tap on the drop down, and so you can see after you've set it to currency, there is a dollar sign there. So just tap on it, and you can see that you can change it to pounds, euro, or Chinese. And if you want more accounting formats, you can just go ahead and tap on it. And then you can choose the symbol of your choice. There are a lot of symbols that you can choose from. So this is how you change your currency in Excel. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.